I'm certainly against killing Jewish culture. It reminds me of an incident when I mentioned we had the JYF choruses, and it was a very active chorus. And we were meeting on Southern Boulevard, which is close to an area that had a black population. And there was a chorus of young black people, and they joined the chorus and they sang with us. And they were learning the Yiddish songs, and our chorus was singing some of the songs, their songs of liberation. And finally, some of the super active people in our chorus said that, well, since this is a mixed chorus, we shouldn't call ourselves the Jewish Young Fraternalists chorus. It should be. And they started arguing about changing the name. And one of the young black women who was part of it, she raised her hand and she says, look, we joined you because it's a Jewish chorus, not because it's a mixed chorus. And there's absolutely no reason for you to change the name. And that was the end of that. And the point is, they were interested in our culture. And we do have a rich culture.